How to create a channel on WhatsApp Business. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you create a channel on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp Business app with your account. After you open WhatsApp Business, you will get this kind of interface. From your at the top right, tap on plus icon. Now from here, choose the options like create a new channel or new group. After you are in this section, you'll have to just select the contact whom you want to add on that channel. Like you'll have to just select at least 1 to 5% to create a new channel on WhatsApp. After you add them, at the top right, tap on next. And from here, at the top, again you'll have to just provide your channel or group name. Simply provide a group name here. After you provide your group name, as usual, you can turn all of the settings for your group like disappearing message, group permission, or any kind of settings you want to do it. After you're done from there, tap on the create option at the top right. Alright, once you tap on that, you can simply create your channel or group. From here, you can add any members, invite, file link through any media or social media platform. And that's it. This is the method you can create your channel or group. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.